this morning with Alex Biggs from Lightning Minerals. Alex, good to see you. Good morning.
Andrew, nice to see you again. How are you?
Very good, Alex. Lightning Minerals began trading on the ASX on the 22nd of November. Just for those unfamiliar, give us a bit of a background here.
Yeah, correct. We listed on the 22nd of November last week. Our code is L1M on the ASX. We just recently raised $7 million. Very, very good interest in the IPO. We had interest circa around about 40 million bucks. And I think that's indicative of the space that we're in. We're in that critical minerals, lithium space. That's obviously pretty hot right now.
And Alex, tell us a bit about the asset portfolio.
Yeah, sure. So we've got some assets down in the Dundas region, which is near Norseman in Western Australia. I mean, that area is red hot right now. I mean, if you look what's been going on down there, Galileo, for example, you've got Buldania, which is Liontown's project. You've got Bald Hill. A lot of activity down there. It's emerging as a lithium province. It's always been seen as like a base metal and gold province. We're starting to see the evolution down there as a lithium province. And why is that, right? I mean, I think the reason is nobody ever looked before. And now we're starting to see that. So it's really exciting to be in a region which is starting to get that sort of interest and get that sort of notoriety in a positive way. I guess Norseman has always been a poor relation to Kalgoorlie and Kambalda. I think this is Norseman's day in the sun. I mean, our assets surround the Buldania project, which is Liontown's asset, 15 million tonnes at 1% Li2O. And we've also got assets up near Bald Hill lithium tantalum mine as well, just to the east of that. Bald Hill, of course, 27 odd million tonnes. So significant resources in the region, as well as some really strong exploration results from our peers.
And you've kicked off a soil sampling program at Dundas, Alex.
That's right. So straight away, I think people that know me know that I'm quite aggressive in the way we approach our projects. I believe it's the only way to do it. You need to be out there doing the work. And if you're going to talk about prospectivity, you need to be out there proving that. So yes, we started soil sampling last week as soon as we listed. We've got a campaign across all our tenements down there at Dundas. We're also doing some geophysics work at the moment. The geophys interp, there's a lot of existing data there, so we can do that work, which we're doing. You utilize that, of course, in line with your soil sampling, and then you start defining some quality drill targets, and we'll be looking at drilling, Q1 next year, calendar year. So, I think all of those things on their own, I mean, when you combine them, obviously the sum of the parts is significantly greater. So it's about, developing that prospectivity, telling the narrative of the region, and of course, defining quality drill targets at the lowest risk to give you a good outcome.
And Dundas, Alex, that's your key focus, is it?
Dundas is our key focus. We do have 3 other projects to the north of Kalgoorlie. We're all Western Australian focused. And, as people have heard me say before, if you ask me where I want a project, it's Western Australia or it would be Ontario in Canada, right? So 2 areas I'm very experienced in, and it's great to be focused purely on the West again.
Well, off to a strong start already, Alex, with an EV around 2.7 million. Why would you encourage investors to take a look at Lightning?
Yeah, that's exactly right. I mean, an EV of 2.7 mil is a really good starting point. A lot of uplift potential there, and I think you can talk about that. You've got to have the assets to prove that. I mean, we feel certainly prospectivity-wise, we're in the right region. We're seeing good results from our peers. Now it's about doing the work, getting on the ground. We're already down there. We're doing the work. Results will be coming through. So, we see it as a significant opportunity.
Good to see you, Alex. Thanks very much.
Good to see you. Thank you, Andrew. Cheers.